NM Soni asks, other than index investing, what are some commonsensical DIY methods of investing in equity for someone who has patience but cannot do deep research?
Well, let me give you my list, which I believe is fairly easy to implement. Let me give you my 6-point list. Do an SIP even if you have a lump sum. Diversify, but don't overdo it. 4-5 funds are good enough. Invest only a measured dose of your allocation in high risk categories such as mid caps and small caps. There would be times when these funds would run far ahead and these funds would look far more compelling investment options than any other kind of fund that you have around. But that doesn't mean that you get carried away and commit substantially to them. So that's point number 3. Avoid taking a call on the markets and invest opportunistically. And that links back to the point number 1, where stick to a good old SIP method of investing. Uh, Review your investments once a year and make any necessary changes in terms of rebalancing your asset allocation once a year. And finally, look to exit systematically the way you invest. If you follow these 6 points, you would by and large be fine.